Hello children, welcome to the maths class. In chapter 13, exponents and powers, coming to laws of exponents. Multiplication of the numbers with same basis. Here 2 cube means 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times into 2 raised to the power 4 means 2 is multiplied by itself 4 times. In this multiplication, the base 2 is multiplied by itself 7 times. So we can write it as 2 raised to the power 7. In answer, we get the same base 2 and the power we get here 3 plus 4 equal to 7. That means when two numbers with same basis are multiplied in answer, the base is same and the powers are added. So in general, we can write the rule as a to the power m into a to the power n. In answer, the base a is kept the same and powers are added. Here base a is any integer but it is not 0. Division of numbers with same base. 2 raised to the power 5 means 2 is multiplied by itself 5 times and 2 cube means 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times. In this division, common factors can be cancelled and answer we get 2 square. In answer, we get the same base 2 and the power we get the difference of powers of these two numbers. Difference means subtraction. 5 minus 3 is 2. Here the power of numerator is greater than the power of denominator. So keeping the base common in numerator, find out the difference of powers in numerator. And if the power in denominator is greater than the power in numerator, keeping the base common in denominator, carry out the subtraction in denominator. So we can write the rule. If a is the base of two numbers, a is any integer but not equal to 0 and m and n are the powers, whole numbers. So while carrying out the division, write the same base and find out the difference of their powers. If the power in numerator is greater than the power in denominator, keeping base same in numerator, find out the difference of powers in numerator. And if the power in denominator is greater than the power in numerator, in denominator, keeping the base same, find out the difference of powers in denominator. Taking power of power. Here the base is 2 cube and power is 2. For this power 2, the base is multiplied by itself 2 times. 2 cube into 2 cube. For this 2 cube, we can write 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times. And for this 2 cube also, we can write 2 multiplied by itself 3 times. In this multiplication, base 2 is multiplied by itself 6 times. So we can write it as 2 raised to the power 6. Now here it is 6. 6 means 3 into 2. And here the powers are 3 and 2. So when we have to take the power of power, keeping the base same, we have to multiply the powers. So we get here rule. If a is the base, any integer but not equal to 0, and m and n, they are the powers, whole numbers. So keeping the base same, we have to multiply the powers. Multiplication of two numbers with different bases but powers are same. Here 2 cube means 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times and 3 cube means 3 is multiplied by itself 3 times. Multiplication is commutative. We can change the order. 1 2 from here and 1 3 from here. Multiplication is associative also. So we can group any two numbers together. Here two numbers 2 into 3 are multiplied 3 times. So power is 3. 2 into 3, this multiplication is 3 times. Here the bases are different but powers are same. we can take the powers, same powers, common. So we get the rule. If a and b are different bases, non-zero integers, and m is the same power, we can take the power common. Division of two numbers with different bases but powers same. Here 2 cube means 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times, and 3 cube means 3 is multiplied by itself 3 times. This division we can write as multiplication like this: 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. In this multiplication, the base 2 by 3 is multiplied by itself 3 times. So we can write it as 2 by 3 cube. In the division of two numbers with different bases but powers same, we can take the power common. So we get the rule. If a and b are different bases, non-zero integers, and m is the same power, we can take the power same power common. Numbers with exponent 0. In this division, the base of both the numbers is same too, and powers are also same. So in division, all the common factors from numerator and denominator get cancelled and we get the value 1. Now to find the value of same division, use this law of exponent. In the division of two numbers with same base, the base is kept same and powers are subtracted. So here also keep the base same too and subtract the powers. 4 minus 4. We get the power 0. Here the value of this division we get 1. And the value of same division we get here 2 raised to the power 0. That means these two values are equal. 2 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So we get a rule here. A to the power 0 is equal to 1, where a is a non-zero integer. Numbers with negative exponents. In this division, the bases of both the numbers are same too, and power in the numerator is greater. So in the numerator, keeping the base same, powers are subtracted. This subtraction we can write as 5 plus minus 3, and using this law of exponent we can separate the powers. We can write this as 2 raised to the power 5 into 2 raised to the power minus 3. When 2 cube from the denominator is taken in numerator, its power becomes minus. In the same way, if 2 raised to the power 5 from the numerator, it is taken in the denominator, its power becomes minus. So here we get the rule. A to the power m, when it is taken in the denominator, its power becomes minus. And if the number a to the power m from the denominator is taken in the numerator, its power becomes minus. Here a is a non-zero integer. Coming to exercise 13.2. Question 1. Using laws of exponents, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. First, 3 square into 3 raised to the power 4 into 3 raised to the power 8. Here bases of all the numbers are same, and we know the law of exponent that when two numbers with same bases are multiplied, keeping the base same, their powers are added. So keep the base 3 same here and add the powers. 2 plus 4 plus 8. Base is 3, add the powers. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Second, 6 raised to the power 15 divided by 6 raised to the power 10. Here bases are same and the numbers are divided. We know this law. When the numbers with same bases are divided, keeping the base same, the powers are subtracted. Here power in numerator is greater. 6 raised to the power 15 in numerator and 6 raised to the power 10 in denominator. So keeping the base same, find out the subtraction difference of the powers in numerator. 6 raised to the power 5. Third, a cube into a square. The bases are same. So keep the base a same and add the powers 3 plus 2. A raised to the power 5. Fourth, 7 raised to the power x into 7 square. Bases are same. So keep the base 7 same and add the powers x plus 2. 5. Here base is 5 and power of power. We know that while taking power of power, we have to keep the base same and multiply the powers. So keep the base same 5 and multiply the powers 2 into 3 divided by 5 cube. Base is 5, 2 3s are 6 divided by 5 cube. Now here two numbers with same bases are divided. We know that to divide two numbers with same bases, base is kept same and powers are subtracted. So keep the base same and subtract the powers. 5 to the power 3, 5 cube. Sixth, here bases are different but powers are same, and we know when two numbers with different bases are multiplied but if powers are same, we can take power common. So 2 into 5 and take the power common. 5 2s are 10 and power is 5. 7th, here also the bases are different but powers are same. So take the powers common. A into B raised to the power 4. 8th, here base is 3 and power of power. We know that when we have to take power of power, keeping the base same, we have to multiply the powers. So multiply the powers here. 3 and 4 3s are 12. 9th, solve the bracket first. In this bracket, two numbers with same bases are divided. So when two numbers with same bases are divided, we have to keep the base same and subtract the powers. So base is 2 and subtract the powers. 20 minus 15 and this is 2 cube. 2 raised to the power 20 minus 15 is 5 into this is 2 cube. Now it is the multiplication of two numbers with same bases. Keep the base same and add the powers. 5 plus 3. 2 raised to the power 8. 10. Here two numbers with same bases are divided. So keep the base same and subtract the powers. 8 raised to the power t minus 2. Coming to question 2. Simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. First, in this question, number 4 and 32, they are composite numbers. So first express them in its exponential form. 4 we can write as 2 square and 32 we can write as 2 raised to the power 5. Now take the numbers with same bases. 2. These two numbers are multiplied, so add their powers, and 2 raised to the power 5 is in denominator. In division, subtract its power. Then next base 3. This is fourth power and 3 raised to the power 1. This 3 is in denominator, division. So subtract its power. 2. Now 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Into other base 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. We know that the value of any non-zero integer with exponent 0 is 1. And this is 3 cube. Any number multiplied by 1, we get the same number. Second, in this question, here the base is 5 and power of power. For taking power of power, we have to keep the base same and multiply the powers. So, base is 5 and multiply the powers. 2 into 3 is 6 into 5 raised to the power 4. This is in bracket. We have to solve first and divided by 5 raised to the power 7. Now solve this first. two numbers are multiplied with same bases. So take the base common and add the powers. 6 plus 4 is 10 divided by 5 raised to the power 7. Now here it is the division of two numbers with same bases. So we have to subtract the powers. Subtract. 10 minus 7 is 3. 5 cube. Question 3. In this question, 25 is composite number. So find out its prime factorization and write 25 in its exponential form. 25 we can write as 5 square. So here at the place of 25 write 5 square and again fourth power. Now this is power of power. To take power of power we have to keep the base same. So here it is 5 and multiply the powers. Multiply the powers. 2 4s are 8 divided by 5 cube. Now this is the division of two numbers with same bases 5. Subtract the powers. 8 minus 3. 5 raised to the power 5. 4. In this question 21 is composite number. So first express 21 as the product of powers of its prime factors. We can write 21 as 3 raised to the power 1 into 7 raised to the power 1. So at the place of 21 write 3 raised to the power 1 into 7 raised to the power 1 and this 3 is single. So we can write it as 3 raised to the power 1. Now same numbers from numerator and denominator we can cancel, or this is the division of the numbers with same bases. So take the base common and subtract the powers. Second base. Here also it is the division of two numbers with same bases. So take the base common and subtract the powers. Third base 11. It is also a division of two numbers with same bases. Subtract the powers. Base 3. Power 1 minus 1 is 0. Base 7. Power 2 minus 1 is 1. And base 11. Power 8 minus 3 is 5. And we know the value of any non-zero integer with exponent 0 is 1. So 1 into 7 raised to the power 1 into 11 raised to the power 5, or we simply can write as 7 into 11 raised to the power 5, or here also power we can write 1. 5. In this question the bases of all the numbers are same 3, and in denominator it is the multiplication of two numbers with same bases. So take the base common and add the powers. 4 plus 3 is 7. Now here it is the division of two numbers with same base. So take the same base common and subtract the powers. 7 minus 7 is 0. And we know that the value of an integer, non-zero integer with exponent 0 is 1. 6. We know that the value of a non-zero integer with power 0 is 1. So here 2 raised to the power 0 means 1 plus the value of 3 raised to the power 0 is 1. Again the value of 4 raised to the power 0 is 1. Add 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 7th. Again here the value of 2 raised to the power 0 is 1 into value of 3 raised to the power 0 is 1. And again value of 4 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 into 1. 1. 8th. Solve the bracket first. 3 raised to the power 0 is 1 plus 2 raised to the power 0 value is 1 into 5 raised to the power 0 is 1. Solve the bracket first. 1 plus 1 is 2 and into 1. 2 ones are 2. 9. In this question number 4 is composite number. So first we have to express this 4 in the exponential form. 4 we can write as 2 square. So at the place of 4, write 2 square. And again the power is 3. Now this is power of power. While taking power of power, we have to multiply the powers. 2 to the power 8 into a to the power 5. Now this is power of power. Write the same base and multiply the powers. 2 3s are 6 into a cube. Now this is the division of two numbers with same base 2. So take the base 2 and subtract the powers. 8 minus 6 into. This is also the division of two numbers with same base a. Take the base a and subtract the powers. 5 minus 3. Base 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. So power is 2 into base a. Subtract the powers. 5 minus 3 is 2. So answer is 2 square into a square. Or here the powers are same. So we can take the same powers common and keep the bases in bracket. 2 into a means 2a. 2a whole bracket square. 10th. Here this is the division of two numbers with same base a. So take the base a and subtract the powers. 5 minus 3 into a raised to the power 8. Base a and power 5 minus 3 is 2 into a raised to the power 8. Now this is the multiplication of two numbers with same base a. Take the base a and add the powers. 2 plus 8. Base is a and 2 plus 8 power is 10. A raised to the power 10. 11th. In this question, these two numbers. This is the division of two numbers with same base and same power. So 1 we can cancel them. Same factors from numerator and denominator we can cancel. Or take the base 4 and subtract the powers. 5 minus 5 into. This is the division of two numbers with same base a. So take the base a and subtract the powers. 8 minus 5 into. This is also the division of two numbers with same base b. Take the base b and subtract the powers. 3 minus 2. 4 base and 5 minus 5 power is 0 into base a. 8 minus 5 3 power is 3. Base b. 3 minus 2 1 power is 1. Now we know that the value of any non-zero integer with power 0 is 1. So value of 4 raised to the power 0 is 1 into a cube and this is b. So answer we can write as a cube b. 12. In bracket 2 cube into 2. This is 1 time 2. So we can write its power 1. Now this is the multiplication of two numbers with same base 2. Take the base 2 and add the powers 3 plus 1 and whole bracket square. Base 2 and power 3 plus 1 is 4 and again power 2. Now to take the power of power, we have to take the same base and multiply the powers. 4 2s are 8. 2 raised to the power 8.